Video on how to join a Zoom meeting. First, you need to go to zoom.us. Then you need to click Join a Meeting. It will prompt you for the meeting ID or session ID. This needs to be provided by the host. In your case, that would be your teacher. I send it to you in 3 different ways. 1, in your morning email. It is listed here, meeting ID. Second, if you go to the Google Apps and you click Calendar, you should have already been invited to an event. When you click on that event, again, the session ID is right here. Lastly, on Google Classroom, when I post the daily schedule, I am including the session ID. You just need to copy that, put it into the Join the Meeting, and press Join. If the Zoom program is already downloaded on your computer, once you click Join, you will be prompted to include a password and your name. In most of your cases, your screen will pop up looking like this, and it will prompt you to install Chrome. You can go ahead and click that to try, but it will probably tell you you are not allowed to and that the administration has to do it for you. If it does, your window will change just a little bit, because at the bottom it will say, if you cannot download or run the application, join from your browser. These 4 words are in blue because it is a link. Please click that link, and then it will prompt you to put your password and your name. Just like with the session ID, I have included the password in your email. I have included the password in your calendar events, and I included the password in your Google Classroom. Hopefully this helps.